Like the coconut tree, the universe is full of wonders and possibilities waiting to be discovered. Let us embrace the power of nature and our own ingenuity to unlock the secrets of the world around us. For as Einstein once said, look deep into nature and then you will understand everything better. Join us on an enlightening journey as we explore the rich and diverse world of coconut farming and harvesting. From the verdant hills of Sri Lanka to the sun-drenched shores of the Philippines, we'll discover the unique techniques and traditions that make each region's coconut industry thrive. Discover the countless products that are derived from this miraculous plant, and marvel at the state-of-the-art machinery and technology that powers this dynamic global industry. Get ready to be amazed by the ingenuity and innovation that drives the world of coconut farming. Join us on a journey through the tropical world of coconut manufacturing and processing, where you'll experience the sights, smells, and sounds of this amazing fruit. Get ready to be inspired by the passion and dedication of the people who bring it to life. Did you know that baby coconut plants are among the smallest and most delicate of all tropical fruit trees? While the majestic mature coconut trees tower over the landscape, their seedlings are tiny and fragile, resembling miniature versions of other well-known tropical plants such as dragon fruit, bananas, and papayas. These humble beginnings belie the enormous potential of these baby plants, which hold within them the promise of future bounty and abundance. As they grow and mature, they will be nurtured by dedicated farmers who understand the importance of providing them with the optimal conditions for growth and development. With each passing day, they will inch closer to maturity until they are ready to bestow upon the world the delicious and nutritious fruit that has made the coconut tree the ultimate symbol of tropical paradise. This video showcases two common methods for harvesting coconuts: handpicking by climbing the tree and using a long stick for collection. The handpicking method requires skilled laborers who are trained to safely climb tall trees and pick the coconut. On the other hand, the long stick method is a more accessible technique that doesn't require water supply lines and is commonly used in non-irrigated lands. These methods offer a glimpse into the traditional practices of coconut farming, and they highlight the deep understanding and respect farmers have for these trees. Harvesting coconuts by climbing trees requires a highly skilled and experienced individual who is trained to safely navigate and climb the tall and slender trunks. These individuals often have a deep understanding of the trees and the coconuts themselves, and they know precisely when to pick the fruit to ensure optimal freshness and quality. This traditional method is often passed down through generations and is considered an art form by those who practice it. It highlights the importance of traditional knowledge and expertise in sustainable agriculture practices. Let's go to Thailand for coconut harvesting. You're looking for a smart and beautiful agricultural experience. In Thailand, coconut harvesting is a common practice where workers use a medium-sized stick to pick ripe coconuts from the trees. Once harvested, the coconuts are transported to water lanes where they are carefully dropped to avoid any damage. This process ensures that only the highest quality coconuts are selected for further processing. Once he has collected several coconuts, he drags the rope along the water, collecting more coconuts as he goes until he reaches the final destination. The video highlights the importance of collecting coconuts from the water and the skill and technique required to do so effectively. Once he has collected several coconuts, he drags the rope along the water, collecting more coconuts as he goes until he reaches the final destination. The video highlights the importance of collecting coconuts from the water and the skill and technique required to do so effectively. These boats are equipped with features such as padded interiors and secure cargo holds to ensure that the coconuts arrive at their destination in the best possible condition. The use of water transportation is not only practical but also cost-effective, as it allows for larger quantities of coconuts to be transported at once. Using these machines can be a great way to save time and effort when processing coconuts. Whether you're running a business or just want to make the process easier at home, investing in a coconut husking or coconut shells are versatile and have many uses. They can be used as fuel to make handicrafts in water and air purification systems, as activated carbon, as a substrate for growing plants, and as a supplement in animal feed. Additionally, coconut shells can be used as a natural abrasive in cleaning products, as a filler in construction materials, and as a material for making charcoal. These are just a few examples of the many uses of coconut shell. The ability to recycle and repurpose this waste material makes coconut shells a valuable resource in promoting sustainability. The wet section of processing coconuts involves several steps to remove the outer layers and produce coconut milk.
first step is paring, which involves removing the testa or brown skin from the nut. Next, the coconut water is drained from the nut, either manually or with the help of machinery. Once the water has been removed, the nut can be cracked open to access the white coconut meat inside. This meat is then shredded or grated and mixed with hot water to produce coconut milk. The milk is then strained to remove any solids and packaged in metal cans for storage or distribution.
Finally, something to your mind. Coconut milk is not only delicious, but it also has several health benefits that you should be aware of. Finally, something to your mind. Coconut milk is not only delicious, but it also has several health benefits that you should be aware of. Let's take a look at 5 of the main benefits and their subtopics. Firstly, coconut milk can improve heart health. This is because it contains lauric acid, which helps to raise levels of good cholesterol and lower bad cholesterol. By doing so, it can reduce the risk of heart disease. Secondly, coconut milk can boost your immune system. It is packed with antioxidants, vitamins, and minerals that can help to protect your body against infections and illnesses. Thirdly, coconut milk can aid in weight loss. It is lower in calories than cow's milk and contains healthy fats that can help to boost your metabolism and support your weight loss efforts. Fourthly, coconut milk can promote digestive health. The fiber in coconut milk can regulate digestion and prevent constipation, while the antimicrobial properties can combat harmful bacteria in your gut. Lastly, coconut milk is great for bone health. It is a rich source of calcium, which is essential for healthy bones and teeth, and magnesium, which can improve bone density and reduce the risk of osteoporosis. So, there you have it. Incorporating coconut milk into your diet can have several benefits for your overall health and well-being.
Coconut oil, creamy ice cream, coconut flour, coconut water, cocoa butter.
Thank you for embarking on this delightful journey with us as we explored the fascinating world of coconut-related products. We hope this video has provided you with valuable insights and inspired you to discover the many incredible possibilities that coconuts have to offer. Once again, thank you for your support and for being a part of our community. We can't wait to share our next adventure with you.